Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX nickel market today. Before looking into let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. This long candlestick indicates yesterday's price opening. We had a very big long dropped market in the yesterday's trading session where the price continued its selling till 9:35. We expected the price to stay on downtrend. So the price maintained 946 as resistance and it came down. After then it had some buying, so you could see a sharp retracement and the price went near 960, found resistance and closed near 958. Today expected open somewhere near or within 960. So what we can do today also you can expect nickel to stay on the downside or else wait for the price to give a bit of bounce back. You can go for selling till 972 by placing stop loss near 978. So again we are expecting a drop. We need to give some bit of huge buffer for the stop loss side, just because you could see the volatility is very huge. So thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.